What's going on, everybody? Hope you guys had a happy Easter. I just wanted to catch you guys up with what I've been doing on my 2002 Toyota Sequoia. In front of me you can see I have an exhaust manifold, and on the right I have a header, and they're pace setter headers that I bought off Facebook Marketplace brand new for 70 bucks, and then I just painted them myself using this ceramic paint from this company called Cerakote. If you guys haven't ever heard of them, check them out. This is their high temp paint right here. I did burnt bronze, and I used just one of these cheapo sprayers you can get at Home Depot from Preval. Put it in there, sprayed them, and I think they turned out awesome. That color just looks amazing. And I wanted to show real quick the difference in flow that these are gonna have compared to stock. I mean, stock, they just hit a 90 degree and then flow out. These look like they're gonna flow a lot better and hopefully sound a little bit better. Ultimately, I'm going for just a little bit louder than stock, but just wanted to hopefully pick up a little bit of horsepower and acceleration with these things. So the other day I went ahead and put in the passenger side. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it, but they look awesome down there. They were definitely difficult to get in. If anybody knows about installing on these first gen Sequoias or Tundras, the motor mount, which is right down in there, is a sucker. It's right in the way of two of the lower bolts, and was finally able to get them out and slapped in and made it up with the exhaust flange down there. Little disclaimer there, don't use AutoZone fitment recommendations for bolts. They don't work. Here's the driver's side. This side actually is the one that has the exhaust tick that most of these Tundras and Sequoias get. I haven't been able to isolate which cylinder it's on, but it's definitely from this side. So once I get the driver's side slapped on, I will update with a sound comparison. So far I've got a cold start with just one of them on, and I also have a sound clip of the car turning on with just the resonator deleted. So on the back here, what I did, typically they have a little resonator right behind the rear wheel that sticks out to the back. What I did was I cut it and just put in a piece of like 20-inch 2.5 pipe. That's out the back, and I think that made it sound a lot better. But just wanted to fill you guys in. I'll post another video once I get it all wrapped up, but stay tuned.